Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Kayak app not working. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and force close your Kayak application and try to relaunch it, which should go ahead and fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, you might want to go to the settings tab and then go into general, iPhone storage, and scroll all the way down until you find Kayak on this list. Once you simply go ahead and find Kayak, what you need to do is tap on the application and tap on offload. What this will do is it will clear any existing cache on the application and you can reinstall the application. If none of it works, then you might have to simply go ahead and try to ensure a stable internet connection by toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even uninstalling and reinstalling your Kayak app. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.